Hello dear students, today we are going to do some conceptual discussion for your midterm examination. The first conceptual discussion will be on your journal chapter. Many students find some points tricky. If you are okay with dual aspect principle, then you can आराम से handle any journal entry question. Only thing is you should remember the rules of accounting and you should remember the dual aspect. The debit side and credit side of each entry should match. The total of each debit and credit entry should be equal. If you are doing like this, it will automatically help you in solving the problem in a correct manner. Now some of the important things are, if nothing is mentioned in the transaction, it is cash transaction. If name has been mentioned, then it is a credit transaction, and if name and cash are mentioned, then it is cash transaction. Then next, trade discount they'll tell purchase for rupees, suppose they have told 62,000, purchase for rupees 62,000, trade discount is 2%. Now should we record at our MRP or should we record it at our discounted price will be the question. We should record it always at the discounted price. So we should calculate the discount on this. It will come to 62,000 into 2%. Comes to 62,000 into 2%, 1,240. 60,760 is our transaction value. 60,760 is our transaction value. So it will become purchasers account debit 60,760, and if it is a credit transaction, then it will be to creditor. If name is given, you should mention the name, creditor account, or if it is a cash or bank transaction, cash account or bank account. 60,760, because we will be paying only this much. So always remember, if they give trade discount, we do not record debit or credit, but we use it for calculating, and we record in our journal books at the discounted price and not at the MRP. Then cash discount. How do we check whether it is a cash discount? They will usually give the sentence as paid in full settlement or received in full settlement. How much ever was the dues minus payment or receipt will be my cash discount. This is an indirect way of checking for cash discount. Now, if we have given cash discount, then it is a loss for us. So it will become discount allowed account debit. But if we have received discount, that is if we have paid less to the creditor, then it will be discount received. It's an income to us. So it will be to discount received account. Then one more important thing is they will tell goods worth so and so was sold for another price. We do not record. Do not bifurcate rather. We do not bifurcate profit on sale and cost of goods. We do not do this one. And one more important thing is, in your journal entry, always in your first PU, drawings account will always be debit. Drawings account debit always. Then sales always credit. Capital always credit. Alright, then purchase return always credit, then sales return always debit. These are some of the mistakes that students will do. And expenses always debit and incomes always credit. If they give receivable and payable this one, then we should record both the expenses and the payable part, that is the liability part. And if they give any receipt, then we should show the income part and the receivable part. This is the important things about journal. I am very sure that you would have practiced lot of sums in your colleges regarding this. If you are aware of the rules of accounting, then your journal entry chapter is aram se handleable and you will be able to score 12 on 12. But in the end, do not forget to write total. Many students lose marks for this, and if the problem is extending to second page, then in the second page also the first line should be dedicated to date, particulars. You should write this one. In each page, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. You should write the entire thing, even in the next page. So this is the way you handle the problem, and then please be careful, be confident of your knowledge and of the accounting entry rules of accounting that you know. Alright, then your journal entry chapter will be easily manageable. So see you in the next video. I am making some videos for your help. So please do share and subscribe to my channel with your friends. And I'm going to make a playlist for each and every chapter concept for your midterm examination. So see you in the next video. Thank you.